Hi everyone. We get so many questions about ACCA CFA, their scope, their salary, can we work in India, can we work abroad? Well, we've made this video to understand the salaries of an ACCA in India versus abroad as compared to what you will earn as a CFA in India and abroad. My name is Zen and I work here at Zell Education. First things first, let's talk about ACCA or Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Now, as you all know, ACCA is a global CA or a course that is known as globally. To know more about ACCA, we've created a very detailed ACCA course details. You can have a look at the video at the I button right over here. Just going to give you a very small gist about ACCA. It takes about 3 years to complete, 13 papers to do. You can finish it before, after, or during college, and you need 3 years of experience to be a member. Now, ACCAs, I'm talking about India, are compared to CAs. So, for example, at my stint at Grant Thornton, when I was pursuing ACCA, when I was working there, I was considered as an article trainee. So I earned the same amount, I had the same designation, I was doing the same work as an article trainee. Once I qualified, I was as good as a consultant. So in terms of positions, you're always going to be worked or compared to a CA. Naturally, the pay also comes along with a CA. So if a fresher CA earns anywhere between 7 to 9 lakhs, considering he has articleship experience, you can expect, and as an ACCA with about 3 years of experience, once you've completed your PER as a member, you should be earning between 7 to 9 lakhs. So this is about India. When you go abroad, of course, the standards are different, the currency is different, the pay is different. If you go to the UK, obviously you'll be earning in pounds. The standard basic pay over there is between 15 to 17 lakhs for freshers. Again, that is in pounds. So again, you can expect that salary as well. When you talk about CFA, now CFA is a completely different course in the finance domain that focuses on investments. Generally, talking from a perspective of a CFA charter holder. CFA, again, 3 levels to be completed. You can ideally finish it over 3 to 4 years. You need 3 years of relevant investment experience to be a CFA charter holder. Again, a charter holder has that experience. He can again command a salary of between 13 to 18 lakhs, especially because the field of investments is a very high paying field, right? Jobs like investment banking, portfolio management, equity research, private equity, venture capital, working with AIS generally tend to pay you a little more. As a CFA, lesser charter, so the thing about CFA is the number of charter holders are less and the global markets are rapidly expanding. So higher demand, less supply will always command a higher salary. Again, similarly in the UK, US, the salaries are always going to be higher because of the higher standard of living. You're earning in dollars. If you want to convert that to rupees, again, look at a salary between 15 to 20 lakhs just as a starter if you're getting a good job, in investment banking in the US. Again, these are figures on a CTC basis, on a per year basis. Again, talking about a very conservative side. To know more about CFA, again, we've done a video on it. You can click on the I button right here. So in comparison, ACCAs generally have a starting package of 9 to 12 lakhs in the accounting and finance domain, depending again on what sector you're working in. Audit can be a very well-paying job. Consulting can be a very well-paying job. Reporting starts off at a decent 8 to 10 lakhs. It depends what job, what sector, with a boutique firm, with an investment firm, with a big four. Similarly for CFA, it starts at a higher salary. Again, depends. You want to start at a boutique firm, investment bank, or at a big four. Again, to know more about these courses, we've done several videos on them covering the scope, aspect, eligibility, fees. To know more, have a look at the channel. We've put a few videos in the description. Do have a look at them. If there are any other videos you'd like us to do, drop a comment in the comment section and we'll do a video for you. Thank you.